Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you the procedure to register yourself for courses and workshops conducted by Vijay Kelkar College of Mulund. So first go to any of your favorite browser uh, and then go to the official website of Kelkar College, which is vijaycollege.net. From here, you can go to online admission and directly click on the link for registration for workshop or course. Otherwise, you can select the admissions tab from here. Then click on this blue color button available stating click here for online pre-admission application. Click on it. From here, navigate to the course or workshop button. From here, you can select this down arrow. You will be able to see all the courses and workshops which will be conducted. Once you will select any of them, you will also get to know the amount. Likewise, you can select any of the workshop as per your preference. Once it is selected, you can click on the proceed button. If you are a student, then you will have to tick this student. If you are not a student, then you will have to tick as not student. If you will select not student, then directly you will have to fill all these details and click on this confirm button. If you will click on student, you will get an option as you are a Vijay College student or not a Vijay College student. Select it. Later on, select your stream. Here you will get all the list of streams available. Select your stream. If you have a control ID, you can enter your control ID as well. If you have the roll number, you can enter roll number. If you will select not was a college student, this fields will not be available. You won't be able to enter anything in it. Later on, fill all the details like your surname, your first name, your father's name, your mother's name, your address, your mobile number. Enter your email ID correctly as you will receive a mail once you will register yourself for the course. Enter the college where you are studying. Once you have filled all the details, cross-check them and then click on the confirm button. Once you will select the confirm button, scroll down. You will get the account details of the college over here. You can transfer the money through any of the UPI application which are available as Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. Otherwise, internet banking will also be okay. Once you have transferred the particular amount to College Bank, you will have to upload the photo in JPG format of the receipt which you have got, the transaction receipt. Once that is done, you will have to enter the transaction date over here, the transaction ID. I have a sample receipt with me. As you can see, this is the receipt. You will get the transaction ID over here. I have transferred the amount through Google Pay, and you will get all the details as it is. So you just have to fill all the details over there. Enter your transaction ID, your transaction bank, and the branch name like ICICI Bank. Then your account number through which you're transferring the fees. Then the account holder name. Once that is done, choose the file from your PC and then click on Open button. Once it is done, click on this Check File button. Once you will click on it, you will notice that the text over here has changed to yes, and your receipt, you can see it over here. Once you have confirmed the details, click on the Save Data button. You can see the receipt is getting downloaded over here. Once I will open it, you will get the receipt from college for the amount which you have paid. Also, you will receive a mail on your email ID like this, that you have registered for this and this course on this date and other details. Yeah, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.